Hello. Whose background noise is coming, please? चलो कोण सांगता टाइमर डेफिनेशन? नाही सांगता येत? Actually, we written yesterday. Timer is a device, okay, which provide the different types of time delays based on the crystal oscillator frequency. That is meaning of timer. And we have seen that the 8051 has the two different types of timer, which is size of 16 bit. Okay, timer 0 and the timer 1. And based on that, any timer, how much time should be given, we have find out by using the depends upon the size of the timer. And we have the size is going to be 16 bit. That's why 2 raised to 16 becomes maximum 4 times of FFF. Correct. That means in the decimal 65,536 that time delay can be provided with the help of this timer. And we have seen the how to control this timer. We need to configure this timer in the 4 modes are there: mode 0, mode 1, mode 2, mode 3. So size of this is going to be 13-bit, 16-bit, 8-bit, and the split 8-bit for the third mode. Okay. So based on that, to control that timer operation as well as the interrupt, we have seen the two special function registers that is called as the T-mod and the T-count registers. Okay, so T-mod totally used to upload the count value and configure the operate the timer 0 or timer 1 in the either of the mode. Out of the 4 modes, we can use it in the either of the modes. Okay. So these things we have seen yesterday. So we have the timer 0 and timer 1 with the help of the two 8-bit registers. That is the TL0. That is for the low register value, and TH for the high timer 0 for the high register value. So each timer can upload the count value of 8-bit in the each separate registers. And then we have seen the T-mod also. So based on this last 0 bits M0, M1, this 4 bits will same for the timer 0 as well as the timer 1. That's why we have taken for that only. Okay, so based on these bits 0, 0, it goes in the 0 mode, 0, 1, mode 1, that is 16-bit, 13-bit first mode, second bit 16-bit, third mode 8-bit auto reload mode, and then last bit is going to be 8-bit split mode is there. Okay, so as we have the 2 bits only, so we have the 4 possible combination, means 4 modes are there. And to operate this timer as a timer of the counter, this bit is important. Okay, if this bit is set to the 0, meaning is that this T-mod will be take the action to timer to be operated. So it becomes timer. And if this bit C bar T, C oblique T bar is going to be 1, that time it acts as a counter. Okay, and the bit number 3rd is for the gate. If the gate is equal to 1, meaning is that all this timer operation can be controlled with the help of the external interrupts, that is INT0, INT1. This is 0, it disable that external interrupts INT0, INT1, and internally it will be controlled. Okay, this part we have seen, same thing for the timer 1 also. This is actually operation we written. So sometimes MCQ asking T-mod, mode 2, what is the size of that? It is 16-bit counter if the mode 1 is there. Mode 2, maximum times we are using the mode 2. Why? Because it is automatic reload the count value. That's why name is given auto reload. Means the count value going to be in the loop, automatically it will be taken inside the registers, that is TH0 and TL0. We're going to see that these modes one by one. Let's see. And then we have seen the T-count registers. As we know that how to make the timer on, that is timer 0, timer 1. And so that we have the bits assigned for that in the T-count registers. And when the interrupt occurs, for the case of that INT0, INT1, we're using these registers, that is IE01 and IE1. That will help for the handling the external interrupt. Okay, and to occur that interrupt, what is the edge? Either it is a edge triggered or the level triggered. We're identifying from this bit IT0, IT1. If IT0 is equal to 1, that will be becomes edge triggered, and if it is 0, it is a level triggered. Okay, this part we have seen yesterday, and how to make this bits enable or disable the interrupt. We have seen that how to use move it register tcon. It this SFRs tmod, tcon, scon, pcon, too many are there. It acts simply like a register, 8-bit register, like what R0 A register, accumulator B register. Same thing, it like a 8-bit registers to control the timer operation and the interrupt associated with the this. So up till now we have seen yesterday. Let's go with the timer modes. Write down. We have written, I think, this one. So we are basically going with the timer 0 operation mode in that. So mode 0 will be looking for that. Okay. And when the modes are operated, which registers are associated and which register can be used, it is defined here. The same diagram is here. The timer 0 is there, and we are going for the mode 0. So that time we are going to use tmod and the tcon special function registers. Along with this TH0, TL0 for the taking the count value. And what is the minimum delay can be provided? It is 1.8085. How this comes? We'll see that also. This depends upon the clock frequency of the oscillator, which are connecting to the controller. Okay, pin number, if we talk about pin number 18, 19, that is used for the connection of the external crystal oscillator. Okay. If time is there, we'll go with that only. How you got 1.08, let's see that. Normally, as we said that what? So crystal is there. So crystal frequency, which is connected to the 8051. So 8051. What is crystal connected here? So crystal oscillator connected of frequency 12 megahertz. It's nearly equal to, exactly I'm getting 11.0593 megahertz. Okay, so this is the crystal frequency or crystal oscillator. Externally, I'm connecting to the pin number. It's 18 and the 19 pin number of 8051. So you remember that, and pin number 20 is going to be ground pin. Okay. So as this is connected, so I'm finding the this is crystal frequency, F oscillator frequency. So I can say it is going to be F oscillator frequency. So from that, I'm obtaining the F machine cycle frequency. That is going to always F oscillator frequency divided by 12. Okay. So this gives, so I'll taking exactly this frequency, 11.0593 megahertz divided by 12. So make the calculation, tell the answer. The answer is obviously it is less than 1 megahertz because 11.593 divided by 12 is there. What is the answer? Will tell. Kaun sangta hai? Hello. Do you have the calculator? Mahesh.
0.92.
Yes, 0.92. So I'll make it as 921.26 kilohertz. Is it? Means 0.92 or 92126 megahertz is there. If you divide that, correct, na? So I'm getting this is the F machine cycle frequency. So based on that, I can find the timer T clock associated with that. So T clock I'm getting always 1 divided by F machine cycle. What is the frequency I'm getting? So this divide 1 by 921.26 kilohertz. Make the calculation. कितने 1 divided by 921.26 kilohertz. So it becomes 1.085 microsecond, which is nearly equal to 1 microsecond. Clear? Is it correct? Is it correct now? This value?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir. And if you multiply this to our maximum count. What is the count I'm getting? So this T clock frequency into what is the maximum count we have? 65,535. This is the count value can be updated in the timer because it is a 16-bit size. So this gives, take this value 1.085 microsecond. Kara bagu. Sanga mala answer. Kiti? 1.085 microsecond into 65,535. Huh? Kiti? 70 point something? हाँ कितने आंसर रहते हैं तुम्ही कैलसे घेऊ हाँ simple what you did here I'll show here 11.0593 divided by 12 so into 100,000 I'll make so 921 so 921 kilohertz is my frequency that I got the F clock frequency so 1 divided by this answer that is going to be my time value so I'll use this 1 divided by 9 to 1.26 kilohertz. So that gives so into 1000. I'll get microsecond. See 1.085 microsecond is a T clock I've got. We have seen this here. This is the answer. Nearly to 1 microsecond. Into what is maximum count I have? 65,535. 65,535. See. So that becomes 71,136. It's a microsecond actually. Yeah? 71. 136. 71,136 microsecond means 71.136 millisecond. So this can be maximum delay can given to the 8051 with the help of the timer 0. And how this got 65,000? This becomes 2 raised to 16 value because size of the timer is going to be 16 bit. Clear? Is it clear now? How to find the T clock and the count value? Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Take it fast. So normally in the HF51, we are dividing the 12 to find the machine cycle with the crystal frequency that is required. And from this machine cycle, I can find the instruction cycle. That depends upon the number of T states required. So flow will be in the 8051 like this: crystal frequency, machine cycle, then timing state, T states, and then instruction cycle. So this is total time delay I have calculated because of the timer value. But mode 2 cannot, mode 1, mode 0 cannot give this much value because it's 13 bit. Only mode 1 can be give it. Over, done. हे लिहून घेतलं सर्वांनी
Yes, sir,
Vaishnavi,
done.
done? Okay. So this calculation, by doing that, we have written here. If you observe here, we talk about the mode, if you go to mode 0, 13 bit is there, but mode 1, 16 bit. So for the 16 bit size timer, what is the maximum count, minimum delay? We know it for one cycle only. It is a 1.05 microsecond, just by calculated. When we multiply with the maximum count value 2 raised to 16, that will give the 71.107 or 36 something millicycle. Same case for the timer one also. So we'll go with the first mode, write down. Have taken this table first? I think not. Correct, na? Hello? A table घेतला का लिहून? नाही ना?
नाही सर.
हा table लिहून घ्या एवढा. Then we'll go for the first mode in that timer. Mode 0. This I taken yesterday. I had taken this. I think the T mode itself. So normally ह्यावरती MCQ विचारतात. कसं विचारतात मी सांगतो. की टाइमर 0 असेल, टाइमर 1 असेल आणि त्यातला मोड आणि किती साईज आहे त्या मोडची. So basically, based on that T mode, bits number 1 and the 0, we are finding the number of modes. 2 bits are there, that's why we have the 4 modes. Mode 0, mode 1, mode 2, and mode 3. And the size of the mode varies with starting mode 0, 13 bit. Mode 1, 16 bit. Mode 2, 8 bit. And last mode 3, 8 bit split mode. So timer 2 is not there. If you talk about 8052, that in that we have 3 timers: timer 0, timer 1, timer 2. That's why I clearly differentiated with the 2 colors. So in the 8051 only we have the 2 timers: timer 0 and timer 1. Once table is over, please tell me. We'll go to the next. We're changing the settings. Somebody has changed the setting. Please do not change the setting of the Zoom meeting. Huh? Okay, table is over.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, write on the next first mode timer. So this mode 0 will be applicable to both the timers, timer 0, 1. In that we're going to see the mode 0. Write down. Draw this diagram also. Actually, I forgot. In the mode 0, write down this diagram. Done. Over diagram. हे ड्रॉ करून झालं का?
Yes, sir.
Done. Okay. Chalo. I'll take this here. The new paint. Okay, I need this only. So no issue. So how this is 13-bit mode. So this is called as a mode 0, 13-bit. So why it is 13-bit? So in the timer, we have seen that I'm using the always TH, if the timer 0, TH 0 and TL 0. These registers of 8-bit size for the loading the count. Okay. So out of this, I'm using the 5 bits of the upper register of the timer and the 8 bits of this. That's why 8 plus 5 becomes total 13-bit size is there for the mode 0 operation of the timer. That's why it will be 13-bit mode. So what is the maximum count? As I'm using 13-bit, we know that how to find this becomes 2 raised to 13 will give the this value. This is in hexadecimal 1F FFH. Okay, so that's why it will start the counting maximum this. How it operates actually, I will tell this part. we have seen that in the T mode contains all these bits are there, C bar T, all these things. If this C bar T equal to 0, not required to take this here, I will write directly. If it is 0, means what? It is connected to operate in the what? Timer mode operation. So timer mode operation is there, it will take the count value from the internal crystal oscillator frequency. And when it loaded, I'm starting the timer, either timer 0, timer 1 in the T count resistors. Okay. And we have seen this also in the T mode. If the gate is equal to 1, what happens? This 1 becomes 0. 0 is coming here, and always this generated 1 or 0 signal. So this 0 and 1 is coming 1 here. Okay. And timer, and when timer starting, this is 1, this is 1. This is also 1. Output is 1. So this switch is going to be closes. That means what? That time I'm operating the internally all these things, INT0 and INT1 interrupt signal. I'm handling that. Okay. Means based on the gate condition, it is 1, how I'm taking the external interrupts INT0 and INT1 from the pin number port 3. I shown these pins INT0 and INT1. So that's why when I'm connecting this mode 0 operation only, that time this 0 will come 1. Okay. So this 1 operation will be 0. Once it is coming 0, our gate is there, XOR. So this 0 means what? Here also 0 coming. This will be opens. Okay. So that time means what? I am taking the internal clock oscillator frequency only, and this timer inter-register value start counting from the value maximum, this value FFF to 0 value. Means this TH0 will be hold 1F, and this will hold the FF. Sorry, hold the reverse way. This will be 1F. This is going to be FF, maximum count value. And when this register loads this value, okay, and it starts decrementing 1 by 1. Okay, so every step is going to be decremented 1, 1, 1. And when exactly coming to the 0 value, 4 times 0, that time this in the T count register we have seen the flag will be set. This flag will set means what? Set to 1 means what? The interrupt is generated, and when interrupt is generated, next task can be initiated. So like this timer mode 0 operates with the both the timers, timer 0 as well as the timer 1. A simple operation दाखवतो तुम्हाला मी. I have that operations. Screen visible आहे का सर्वांना? Is it visible? Hello? Screen दिसते का सर्वांना? Hello? Whether screen is visible?
No,
Huh?
No, sir.
No. Okay, this is problem with the Zoom. So I think I clicked with the two options only. So this Paint, PPT, and the Chrome. Okay, now I think it will be visible. Now it's visible.
Yes, sir.
I want this. I have bring it to people to the Chrome browser. I have to show that. दिसते का आता?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can see here now. So this is a diagram of internally at first in the timer. Okay, and how it controls. So by using that the gate and all the pulses, it can connect it to the internally. Okay, so this oscillator frequency just provides the number of clock pulses here, and that clock pulses with the value provided from the AND gate. And when the timer will be enabled, this count number of pulses count is going to be given here. So this timer count means what? We have the registers. Which registers? TH0, TL1, and that will be loaded with the what is the count we have find calculated of 13-bit size. Once this count is going to be decremented to 0, that time the overplay flag means what? Timer 0, TF0 flag will be set to high and interrupt will be occurred. This is flow shown here. See now, look one more time. Timer enabled, clock pulse is given, maximum count goes to 0, overflow occurs, roll off occurs, and the flag is set. Clear? कळलं का आता मी सांगितलेलं? Hello. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
So Same operation we have discussed here. Okay, means we have to load the count value in these registers, and to control this, these signals are given. We are setting all these things in the TMOD registers, all this part. Once a TMOD is set, once a count is loaded, these values, it starts decreasing the count timer values to the 1 by 1. And when exactly reaches to the 0, 0, this flag will be set, TF0, and interrupt will be occurred. Okay, and this is the operation of that. We have seen just now. Write down, I will tell that part. So MCQ is asking like this: what is the size of the mode and what is the value maximum count can be uploaded? Okay, write down. Mode 0 can support for both. That is given for your sake of convenience. Write down. Mode 0 is supported for both timer 0 and timer 1. Supported for both timer 0 and the timer 1 operation. Timer 0 and timer 1 operation. Next point. In the mode 0, TH0 of size 8-bit, and in the mode 0, TH0 register of 8-bit and lower register TL0 and lower register TL0 of 5 byte is used to upload the timer delay count in this register. What is maximum count? So here write down. What is the maximum count? So count is equal to, maximum count is equal to 2 raised to 13. That will give the 1F, 1FF. 1 3 times F. Full stop. Next, the maximum count in this mode is equal to, age indicates hexadecimal, it's not a value. The maximum count is equal to 2 raised to 13. That is equal to 1FH. Full stop. Next point. Once count is uploaded with the maximum value, once count is uploaded with maximum count value, once the timer is uploaded with the maximum count value and timer is run, and timer is run. Run means it's on. Timer is run. Comma. Timer roll off. Timer roll off. Roll off means what? from maximum count to the comes to the zero, rolling off, you can say normally, comma, timer roll off from maximum count value to 0. Timer roll off, ROLL, roll off means OFF, roll off from maximum count to the 0. Full stop. Full stop. Next one. At this moment, timer overflow occurs. At this moment, timer overflow occurs in Ticon register at this moment. Timer overflow occurs in the Ticon register and TF0 flag is set. In the Ticon register and TF0 flag will be set. So I'm taking TF0 here. Why? Because I'm timer 0 I'm using here. The timer 1, that time this becomes TF1. This becomes TH1. This becomes TL1. So based on that, either I'm using the timer 0 or timer 1 for the time delay. I can use it. Okay. So and timer काय लिहिलं आपण तिथं? What was the last sentence? हा part repeat करा मला. Mahesh.
TF0 flag is set, will be set.
Okay, TF0 flag will be set and interrupt occurs. Means what? The interrupt enable will be activated, either IE1 or IE0, and interrupt is occurred. But here interrupt occurs काय करायचंय? I can take any task. Done. Over this is?
Yes, sir.
So this is its operation for the time mode 0. So what you have to remember? Basic connection, gate must be 0, C T bar must be 0. So I am operating the timer 0 mode. It's timer mode. And what is the maximum count loaded depends upon the size of the mode. So mode is 13-bit. That's why 2 to 13 is the maximum count can be uploaded. And when the timer will start from the T mode operation Ticon, it start decrementing its value and rolls from maximum to the 0. That time interrupt is occurred. So this operation will be similar for the each and every mode. Now we'll go with the next mode. Same diagram can be used. Same diagram same है. Mode 1. Next, write down next. Mode 1 operation. Just changes what now here? 16-bit timer value can be used. Means both TL0 and TL0 of 8-bit size. Write down next and draw this diagram. Mode 1 dash 16-bit size MCQ. Over, diagram is over. Diagram is very similar to the previous mode one only. Just changes what? Size of the TH and TL registers. Over, diagram is over.
Yes.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Okay, चलो. So same way, mode 1 also supports for the timer 0 and the timer 1. So I'm writing for the timer 0 operation. Yeah? So just we replace with the timer 0, timer 1 will be TL1, TL1, TF1, same way. Okay, now why the size of this mode 1 is 16-bit? Because what was the registers are there for timer, that is TL0 and TL0. I'm taking the each of size 8-bit, means all the bits. So this size the maximum 8 bit is ahe, 8 bit ahe. So this 8 plus 8 I'm using, that becomes 16-bit size. Okay, so this register can be uploaded the count in the time daily value with a maximum count. लिहायला आपण खाली कसं आलं ते बघूया. 2⁻16 म्हणजे किती? 4 times f. 4 times f म्हणजे किती असते? 65,536 and count कुठून करतो ते 0 पासून. So 0 to 65,535. Yes, I'm separating 1 minus from that because I'm starting with the 0. That's why. So this count is going to be uploaded. So each resistor with loaded with the FF value. Okay, and once same process, the get 0 will be there. That time it will not be activated. INT 0, INT 1. Get 0 means this switch is closed, and internal clock oscillator pulses shifted, and when this count is loaded up to maximum value, it starts decrementing when the timer 0 will be on. Okay, once timer 0 is on, what is the count loaded? Maximum FF starts decrementing and rolls off from FF to the 0, 0, 4 times 0. That time, that in the T-count register, this flag will be raised to the 1, means interrupt is occurred. And at that time interrupt occurred, what action need to take? We can write with the help of the instructions. Okay, this is its operation of that. Same like a mode with 0 only, but just count value going to be changing that. Understood? Clear? Hello? कळालं का हे? परत रिपीट करू? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So write like this in the diagram below that explanation, or तुम्हाला हे सजायत आपण लिहून दिले आहे its operation. Write down. In this mode, 8 bits of TH0 and TL0 in this mode. 8 bits of TH0 and TL0 are used to upload the maximum time delay value, time delay count we can say, to upload the maximum count delay full stop. सेम ऑपरेशन पण तसं लिहायचं आहे. नेक्स्ट पॉईंट काय असणार आहे? द मॅक्सिमम काउंट डिले इज इक्वल टू किती असणार आहे? 2:16. हेडो नेक्स्ट पॉईंट, द मॅक्सिमम काउंट इन दिस मोड इज इक्वल टू the maximum count in this mode is equal to 2:16. That will give 4 times f hexadecimal. That will be in decimal 65536. Done. The sentence over. Maximum count is equal to.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. ऑपरेशन कसं लिहायचं बघा आपल्याला. आपण सेंटेन्स सेम रिपीट करतोय, फक्त जे व्हॅल्यू चेंज झाले ते चेंज करतोय आपण. नेक्स्ट काय असणार आहे? once the timer is uploaded the maximum count 4 times f. Once timer is uploaded with maximum count 4 times f h. Once timer is uploaded with the maximum count 4 times f, this one, start decrementing and rolls off to the 0 value. Rolls off like this. I'll add here also. Roll off space. Roll off to the 0 value, comma. That time overflow occurs and the TF0 flag is set, comma. That time TF0 flag is set and TF0 flag is set and interrupt is occur. Sentence I repeat. Once timer is uploaded the maximum count value 4 times f and it is decremented. It is decremented and roll off to the 0 4 times 0, comma. That time TF0 flag is set and interrupt occurs. Then over. Hello.
Yes, sir. Over.
Okay. Then we'll go with the mode 2. Write down mode 2. What is the diagram? We'll take here. This is for mode 2. And maximum time I'm using this mode, auto reload. What it says, 8 bit. So mode 2 चं नावच आहे 8-bit timer counter auto reload mode. So MCQ also asking like this. Mode 2 is dash timer counter auto reload mode. Logic is there, remember that 13, 16, 8, 8 mode operation, timer mode operation. Mode 0, 13-bit, mode 1, 16-bit, just now we have seen, and mode 2, 8-bit, and last also 8-bit. Our diagram is done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done. Okay. Now, why this is 8-bit mode auto reload? I'll explain here. So, as we know that timer has two registers, that's the TL and the TH. Okay. So in this case, I'm using only one register, that is a TL0 register. And I know the size is what? 8-bit. So that's why this is 8-bit size. So maximum count can be 2⁸. And 2⁸ nothing but what? FF. That is in the H hexadecimal. And 256 in the decimal value. Okay. And the same count value I'm taking in the TH0. And the feedback is connected here, and one clock signal is given after reset. The same value can be automatically loaded in the TL0, what is coming in the TH0. That's why it is called as a auto reload mode operation. That is mode 2. Is it clear? Operation will be same like that. Once what is the count value maximum 8-bit, that is FF, is loaded in the TL0 register, and it starts decrementing to the 1-bit down. Okay. And when it reaches exactly 0 from FF to the 0 roll-off occurs, that time the flag will be set, this flag to the 1, interrupt occurs. Same time it reset means what? The same value is loaded in the TH0, it transferred to the TL0, and automatically this timer I can run, and what was the count value is going to be uploaded here. It doesn't require to do once again. That's why it is a automatic. It is in the loop. Okay, is it clear now? Why it is called as automatic reload? कळलं का सर्वांना? महेश, वैष्णवी.
So repeat.
Hello. Understood? परत रिपीट करूया.
रिपीट करा सर.
हाँ, ठीक. सो ऑपरेशन सेम आहे. लक्षात ठेवा इथे काय केलं आपण? प्रीवियस केस TH0 आणि TL0, it is in the series. So it holds the maximum count based on the value of size. Okay. But now in this case mode 2 operation, I have the TL0 of size 8-bit. So maximum count what is loaded? 8 bit only, that is 2 raised to 8 FF. Okay, the same value is going to be taken in the its next high register, that is the TL0. Okay, but what was the count ordered in the TL0? After making the timer on, it starts decrementing from FF to the 00. Means once this count is decremental of occurs, this timer flag will be set to 1 and interrupt occurs. Okay, interrupt occurs means what? It reset automatically. And what was the count is there in the high register which taken the same value, it transferred this count value to the TL0. Means this is in the loop. What was the count was there? It is uploaded in the TL0 again. Again, it start the decrementing, and when roll off from that maximum count value to 0, again the flag will be raised. Interrupt occurs. When same interrupt occur, reset occurs. The same value again taken here. This will continue infinite times. That's why it is a automatic reload value. Means what was value I'm loading here? TL0. It comes by default the TL0, which transfers in the TL0 after interrupt occurs. That is simple meaning. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. लिहून द्यायचं आहे जर कंडोस्टोल करून घेत आहे काय इम्पॉर्टंट नाही, सेम ऑपरेशन आहे, फक्त याचं लिहूया ऑटोमॅटिक रिलोड काय आहे ते लिहून देतो फक्त. चालतंय? हॅलो, पूर्ण लिहून द्यायचं ऑपरेशन. वैष्णवी काय करायचं? Okay, done. Chalo. Mode 2 dash. In mode 2, only TL0 of size 8 bit is used. In mode 2, only TL0 of 8 bit size is used. Just wait, I have the call. In this mode, TL0 of 8 bit size only used. TL0 of size 8 bit only used to upload the maximum count, of FF. That means in bracket 2 raised to 8. Maximum count of FF in bracket 2 raised to 8. Full stop. The same count value can be taken into, higher register TH0. the same count value is taken into the same count value is taken into higher register TH0. Full stop. Next point. Done up till now?
Yes.
Next, once timer is start, once timer is start, once timer is start, comma, it roll over from it roll over from, it means timer, timer roll over from FF to the 00, it roll over from FF to 00, FF to the 00, and timer flag is set, and timer flag is set. Full stop. Timer flag is set, full stop. The same time, at the same time, TH0 at the same time, TH0 transfer the same count value in the TL0. TH0 transfer the same count value into the TH0. At the same time, TH0 transfer the same count value into TL0. Means timer reloads automatically. Means timer reloads count value automatically. Means timer reloads count value automatically. That's why name is a auto reload mode. That's why the name is given auto reload. Done? Is it done?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. So only now what is remaining? Mode. This is the mode, just we have seen the 8-bit mode reload automatically. And the last mode is the mode 3. That is called as a split mode. Draw this diagram. Mode 3, 8-bit split mode. Split mean what? Where is the two timers here? Timer 0, timer 1. That's why. Done. Diagram is over. Done. Over. This is diagram. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Huh. So this mode 2 very similar to the mode 3 is similar to the mode 2 only, because it is having the separate 8 bits of that. So it can be used for the timer 0 and timer 1, 8 bit for this and 8 bit for the next. That's what it's called as a split mode. Means what was the resistors are the TL0 and TH0. They are using the separately. So each can be load the count value maximum 0 to the FF, that is 2 raised to 8. And once timer is started, it rolls from the that FF value to the 0, and the flag will be set. Once this flag will be set, remaining that count value can use for the next higher bits. In that also we can load the separate count value of the 8 bit. And again it rolls from that FF to the 0, and it will set the next timer flag, that is timer flag 1, and interrupt occurs. So similar to the mode 2 only, but it is not the auto reload mode. Both modes are the splitted or using the differently. That's why name is given 8-bit split mode for the timer 0 and timer 1. Okay, clear? Then we'll go with the this thing we are written just now, I think, to finding the crystal frequency, all this thing. So always we're assuming that frequency is 12 megahertz, but it's not 12 megahertz. 11 megahertz is there, 11.0593. And to find the machine cycle timer clock, we're dividing by 12. And that from that I'm getting 1 microsecond. That is delay of 1 microsecond, and 2:16 maximum time count value that I'm loading. So let us see. So this process is there to upload that count value. So we'll go with the one small program for that port blinking. Let's see. Write down. Write down the value. Code. We'll write the program for that. LED blinking or port blinking, I can say. LED blinking program for 2 seconds. 2 seconds on, 2 seconds off. कौन है? लेक्चर चालू में सांगितलं त्याला मी आत्ताच. कॉल चालला नाही त्याचा. नाही कोण म्हणून नगरपालिकेसमोर आहे म्हणून सांगितलं त्याला. तर सकाळीच बोललोय मी. Hello. So we'll write the code for what? LED blinking at the port. I can say port 0. Use the port 0. I'm connecting the LEDs here. Okay. So to blink that LED for 2 seconds, we're writing the code. Now we know the time delay. It is a 2 seconds. So for to go with the 2 seconds, सो ऍक्च्युअली काउंट व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायचं. काउंट इज इक्वल टू काय असते, गिव्हन टाइम डिले, दॅट इज टी टाइम डिले डिवाइड बाय क्लॉक फ्रिक्वेन्सी टी क्लॉक. माय वॉइस इज ऑडिबल? हॅलो, माय वॉइस इज ऑडिबल आणि स्क्रीन विजिबल आहे का?
Yes.
हा, आपण एक प्रोग्राम लिहितोय छोटा, 2 सेकंद एलईडी ऑन ऑफ करायचं आहे पोर्ट 0 ला. हे टास्क आहे आपलं. ते कसं करायचं आपण ते काउंट करून बघायला लागलोय. इज इट ओके? बाय युजिंग टायमर ऑपरेशन. Have written this LED blink program for 2 seconds for the port 0. Hello.
Yes, sir.
हा, सो किती सेकंद आपल्याला ऑन ऑफ करायचं आहे? 2 सेकंद साठी. टाइम डिले किती? 2 सेकंद. So from that I am finding the count value, how to upload that. So count is equal to TD divided by T clock. TD किती आपला? 2 सेकंद divided by T clock किती आपला? 1.085 microsecond. So make this and सांगा मला आन्सर किती येते. So rather than going to 2 seconds, I will go to 2 millisecond. That will be easy for us. 2 seconds चा count खूप मोठा येईल परत. 2 millisecond. So 2 milli by 1.085. So milli micro ला एक cancel होईल. So 2 divided by, I am making here 1.085. That gives 1.8433. 8433 into 10 to power 3. Me second bacon circle cancel now. So that gives, multiply 3000. It gives 1843 count value. It is count value. Okay. So this count value I need to subtract from the our maximum count किती आहे तो, because I want to decrement up to this point. So the count is equal to, आपला count किती हे decimal value 10. So 65535 minus this 1843 किती येते मग हे into 1000 1800 वजा 65,535 63,691. So that gives 637 or 691. This is my count value exactly. I to load in the register value. Clear झालं का सर्वांना? काय केलं आपण ते? So from the given value 2 second, I find the count. So 2 millisecond divided by our T clock frequency. That will give the 1843 decimal value. But if you use the timer 0, timer 1, that can provide the maximum delay 65535 0 to that. So I subtracted from that 1843. So why I'm subtracting? Because it start decrementing from 65 FF to the 0. So I want to stop at this moment. That's why 65535 to it will decrement to the this value 63691. Okay, so this count value I am loading in the registers. So if you make this value in the 63691 in the decimal, in the hex format, just go with the programmer, will take that value 63691 in the decimal, make hex F8CB. हे सगळं कळतं काय चालू आहे ते? हॅलो हॅलो, हे काय चालू आहे ते कळालं का सर्वांना? येस तर नो तर म्हणायचं, काय दोन्हीपैकी एक. हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
हा, म्हणजे आपला 2 सेकंड 2 मिली सेकंड साठी आपण एलईडी ऑन ऑफ करतोय, त्यासाठी काउंट व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करतोय आणि ती काउंट व्हॅल्यू आपण फाइंड केली आणि ती फक्त मी डेसिमलचं हेक्स मध्ये कन्वर्ट केलं. मग आता आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? टायमर 0 यूज करायचा आहे आणि मोड 2 यूज करायचा आहे. ओके, मग ते कशी व्हॅल्यू लोड करते बघूया आपण. मग हे F8 कशा जाणार, TH0 मध्ये F8 जाईल अँड रिमेनिंग CB TL0 मध्ये CB. It is hex value always. So take this point up till now and then we'll write the code. Once over this, मला सांगा, मी सांगतो काय केले ना, थोडे मी असं लिहिलेलं आहे. So I'll repeat that part. Done up till now, up to this point. Hello. One, two, three,
Yes,
four
sir.
steps are there. After this, we have taken conversion. So this is decimal value I converted in the hex format. 63691 decimal is equal to F8 CB in the hexadecimal. F8 CB in hexadecimal. Below that, write down. So use timer 0 mode 2 operation. Use timer 0 mode 2 operation, which loads the TH0 is equal to F8 and TL0 is equal to CB. Use timer 0 mode 2 operation, which loads TH0 F8 and TL0 CB. Done.
Yes, sir.
Then we'll write the code here. Either I'm card part. So I'll be starting with what? ORG 000H. Why? Because by default PC I want to bring at this address. That's meaning is starting with the ORG 00. Now next. So I'm using the port 0. So move P0, comma, hash. So I want to make this port as a output now. That's why I'll be sending the value 00 on that. I will remember that point when we see the operation of the ports to make it is input output. To make it is output, I'm sending the 00 on that. Okay. After that, I want to set value on that. So move P0, comma. So can blink whole port. That's why hash 0 FFH. Then after setting high, आता हे पोर्ट कसं असणार आहे, पोर्टला किती असतात, 8 बिट्स असतात, बरोबर की नाही, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So these bits I am setting to the all bits. I am connecting with the 8 LEDs. मग हे काय होणार, सगळे 1 1 होणार आहेत सगळे. So how with this instruction the port 0 becomes FFF. किती वेळ असणार आहे ते, एक कॉल डिले. So based on the delay value, आपण डिलेचा कोड पर लेणार आहे सबरूटीन. Once it will be on for just 2 millisecond, I want to make it is disable, off करायचं मला. मग कसं करणार, move port 0, comma, again hash 00H I'm transferring the 00 on that port again. Once it will be off, how much time? A call delay. Then I have to write the delay code here. So delay code आपण लिहायचं. Delay. Delay मध्ये काय? जेव्हा जेव्हा इथे a call delay येईल, it come out of that and interrupt occurs. It come for the at this moment. Just बेटा. इथं पर्यंत लिहून घ्या तोपर्यंत. Done up till now? इथपर्यंत झालं लिहून? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 line only. Done?
Done, sir.
हा. आता once आपण जेव्हा पोर्ट सेट करू ह्या वालीला, how much time? A call delay. A call delay means come? It comes up at the subroutine delay. But delay ला काय लिहायचं आपल्याला? कोड लिहायचा आहे. तर काय लिहायचं इथं? Move. काय करायचंय? tmod, hash 0 to h. काय meaning आहे 0 to चा? If you go with the tmod operation, आपण एक थोडं बघूया इथं. tmod register बघितलं आपण काल. This one. हे कॉपी करतो मी परत इथं. इझी होईल जाईल. त्याशी दाखवलं तर काल तुम्हाला, तरी पण परत रिपीट करूया. 0 to means what? This bit is 0. So I'm taking 5 minutes. जाऊ दे थोडे 5 मिनिटं घेऊया, एवढं कोड बघूया. 0, 0, 0, all this 0, 4 bits. 1, 0 means 4 bits are there, one nibble. 0 to means this is 0, this will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 0. That means 2 value. So means I'm using the timer 0 and this 1. 1, 0 means what? Which mode? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Mode 0, mode 1, mode 2, mode 3. Correct? So 1, 0 is coming here. That means what? I'm using the mode 2 operation of the timer 0. जे आपण लिहिलं होतं इथं बघा. Use the timer 0 mode 2 operation. Is it clear? कळलं का इथं 0 to का आलंय ते? Hello? Have understood? महेश, वैष्णवी, चव्हाण.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. देशमुख कळालं का नाहीये? हॅलो, सर्वांना कळालंय का 0 to का आलंय तर? Meaning is that I'm using the timer 0 mode 2 operation. Okay, so in that again जे आपलं होतं TH0 and TL0 ते यूज करायचं आपल्याला to load the value. So again move TH0 hash किती व्हॅल्यू होते? What was the count value? CB. F at CB na? 0 F at H. Then move TL0 hash 0 CB H. Then timer आपल्याला स्टार्ट करायचं आहे. Set B TR0. How much time? So dollar CLR TF0, and here also dollar. This is in the loop, and then rate return, and then last will be end. So you can write end also here, end code. So here I can listen. Timer 0 चा mode तो आपण हे set केला. So in that timer 0 we have the two registers TH0 TL0. त्यामध्ये जी काउंट व्हॅल्यू आली की नाही आपली इथं काढलेली किती F8 CB मी अपलोड केलेली आहे. मीन्स दिस टाइमर मोड 2 इट विल बी टेक टू व्हॅल्यू किती F8 CB. Up to that value it will be loaded, and once it is roll off to the 00, that time it will be come out of loop. So I'm checking काय करतोय इथं. Once loaded, I started the timer 0. Set B TR0 means what? I started the timer. Once timer is started, I'm checking for the flag TF0 flag. तो सेट झाला की नाही. सेट झाला तर ऑटोमॅटिक क्लिअर करून लूपच्या बाहेर पडेल. रेट मीन्स रिटर्न टू द बॅक डिले प्रोग्राम. क्लिअर कळलंय सर्वांना. आणि आपण हे प्रॅक्टिकली बघूया केल सॉफ्टवेअर करून घ्या. लिहून घ्या नेक्स्ट पार्ट इथला खालचा डिलेचा प्रोग्राम. हे तर नाही आहे. आफ्टर दिस write this code. This symbol is dollar. Same dollar it is used here. Taken this. Hello. Is it done? Up to this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we take 5 minutes more? थोडं बघूया का लगेच. लेक्चर कोणाचं नंतर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर कोणाचं आहे आफ्टर दिस का ब्रेक आहे. कोणाचं लेक्चर आहे. हॅलो
सर ब्रेक आहे.
ब्रेक आहे ना. एक 5 मिनिटं घेऊया का मग केल सॉफ्टवेअर लगेच बघूया कोड तो. हा नको. हॅलो
बस करा सर.
खरं म्हणताय बास करूया. वैष्णवी महेश थांबायचं. ठीक. म्हणजे जे आता कोड जस्ट बघितलं की ना आपण हा इफ सिम्युलेटेड विल अंडरस्टँड बेटर वे. दॅट्स व्हाय आय एम आस्किंग.
घ्या सर.
आता बाकीचे नको म्हणतात तुम्ही घ्या म्हणताय. ठीक आहे. विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. नो इश्यू. चलो give the attendance. Number 1,
2, 3, 4.
one is not there na. ठीक चलो 2 3 4 is there. Next
5.
चलो I'll take from that list only, so it's easy for fast. We'll finish. 2 3 4 5 6 is not there. 6 is there. 9 7 8 9 10 11 12 is not there. 13 आहे. 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 26 is not there. 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 34 is not there. 5 6 7 8 38 is not there. 39 40 41 41 is not there. 2 3 43 is not there. 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51. Okay, so option numbers 1 6 12 26 34 38 41 43 49. correct na. Sure.